If you're a social media lover and you know you spend so much time on your social media handles or social media accounts without getting paid, then you just have to know that this update is just for you. So I say make I drop una this update now as e dey hot. So all you just have to do on this platform in order to get paid is just for you to register, and then you just have to perform social media activities and tasks in order to get paid very hugely. If you are here for the first time, my name remains Consolo Nyekwere, and on this channel we drop tips and updates on how to make money online. So I want you to give this video a like, which is very important. Make sure you subscribe and also make sure to turn on the notification so that anytime we drop more videos and useful contents on how to make money online, you are going to be notified. And you can also follow us on our Telegram channel via the link on the description section. So all you just have to do on this platform is to perform tasks and activities on your social media account. So you can also see from here the people that are online presently working on this platform. They are up to 398. It keeps fluctuating. And then you can also see the members, the total members that have registered, and then the activities or works being delivered on this platform, hits/likes. So the numbers keeps going up. So this is what you just have to know on about this platform. And from here you can also see the new members. 187 members just joined last 24 hours. So for you to get on board right now and right away, you can just check the description section of this video. You are going to see the first link. So the first link, now you click on it, you register, and then you come on board. Let me log in right now and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is my account, and you can see from here I am having 924.4 points presently. Now for you to get on board to start working on this platform, the first place you just have to click is this earn points/money. So this is the primary aspect of this platform. This is where you just have to ponder upon in order to make money. So there are so many social media accounts that you can enter and you can start performing their activities. So they are ranging from Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Reverb Nation fans, Twitter, LinkedIn, website traffic. So on website traffic, all you just have to do is just to click on it. They will tell you to visit the website for like 5 seconds, and then you are going to get credited. Then pay to do jobs, pay to promote, and then you can also get 200 daily points, which is free of charge. So how do you get that 200 daily points? I'm also going to show you that. Then there's also daily contest and earn by referral. So you can also earn by referral. The referral earning is very good and they pay well. So this is where you just have to ponder upon, and then you can make money on this platform. There's also this place they say add site/video. So on add site/video, you can buy points, or you can keep performing social media activities and your points will grow, and you can put in your video or your social handle so that people can follow you or you can get subscribers. But I don't advise for that, unless you just want to use it for video, to promote a video. You see, if it's for promotion of a video, it's not so bad as that. But if it is for you to get subscribers or followers, I don't advise that, due to how the social media nature is, especially YouTube. And then for you to cash out, you can just click here. If you click here, you will be able to cash out using your PayPal, and you need a maximum of 5,000 points in order to cash out. And then this is the 200 daily bonus. So for you to be eligible to get 200 daily bonus, you must have completed up to 100 clicks or 100 likes or 100 follows, just any one of them, but 100 of it, just 100 activities on the earn points/money section, and then you can come over to this place to claim 200 daily points. So this is it about this platform. If you have any questions, you can drop it on the comment section, and see you in my next video.